Hi guys, you are listening Victory Maths 7729 Vedic Maths, coming to first class Sankalanam, which means additions. So before going enter into additions, we need to know the digits and basics of mathematics. Digits, we have 10 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Based by using these 10 digits, we can write the very largest numbers, any number, by using these 10 digits only. And here Dashamsha Paddhati in Vedic Maths, which means 10 base method. 10 base method. So first for example, addition of two numbers 24 and 56. So here 24 and 56, 24 is called addend and 56 also called as addend. By adding these two numbers, we will get the result. That result is called sum. That result is called sum. First, to know the additions, we have by using these 10 digits, we can write the 100 combinations of the digits, that is 0 to 9 digits. We can write 100 combinations. In this, 0 plus 0 we can say directly 0, 0 plus 1 1. These are simpler, but when you are coming to two digits, sum of these two digits you will get as a result of two numbers, two digit number. There we have 36 combinations inside the box, which are in the box. So let us say 4 plus 8 12, 6 plus 6 12, 7 plus 8 15, 8 plus 5 13, 8 plus 6 14, here 6 plus 7 13, 4 plus 8 12. Here two digit numbers we said. Now actually we need to remember only single digit, that is units place of the result. 6 plus 7 13. Let us say, don't say 13, like just 3. And 7 plus 6 3, 8 plus 7 5, 9 plus 7 6, 6 plus 9 5, like that. Next, end numbers. End numbers. Here sum of two digits gives one number. So here we need to remember only end digit of the number. So let us say first one, 4 plus 9, it gives 13, but need to remember only 3. 10 keep in mind. 6 plus 9 5, 7 plus 4 1, 5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 9 2, 7 plus 6 3, 7 plus 8 5, 9 plus 4 3, 9 plus 6 5, 8 plus 9 7, 6 plus 5 1, 4 plus 6 0. Why 0? 4 plus 6 becomes 10, so units place is 0. 8 plus 4 2. Similarly here in the box right side, 8 plus 3 1, 5 plus 6 1, 8 plus 7 5, 9 plus 8 7, 5 plus 8 3. Now come to the next concept, that is carry combination and non-carry combination. Here in general we say, we use 4 plus 5 is 9, 2 plus 3 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. But coming to carry combination, 8 plus 4 which gives 12, but need to say only single digit, units place 2. 7 plus 6 3, 9 plus 9 8. For example, 47 plus 9. First think of 4 and units place. The units places are carry, so think 4 becomes 5. Then end digit of 7 and 9 is 6. So now end digits of 7 plus 9 is 6. So the answer becomes 5 and 6, 56. Similarly, one more problem, 49 plus 3. So here 4 besides carry combination. So 4 becomes 5 and 9 plus 3 units digit is 2. So answer is 52. 66 plus 8. Here 6. First think of 6 and units place as carry combination. So 6 becomes 7. Then 6 plus 8, its unit digit is 4. So 74 is the answer. Now you can try that as 18 plus 7, 54 plus 6, 68 plus 6, 47 plus 9. Leave your answers in comment section. Now come to double digit plus double digit, that is 32 plus 25. Here directly we can do. Here we need to observe here 32 and 25. Here no carry combination. So directly 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 5 7. Identify first given numbers are carry or non-carry combinations. These are non-carry combination. We do these calculations by left to right. In general we do right to left, like 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 plus 2 is 5. But in coming to Vedic maths, we do in reverse, like right to left becomes left to right. Here 43 plus 14. Here 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 1 is 5. In general we will do like that. But coming to Vedic maths, 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7. The answer is 57. Next, come to carry combinations. Carry combinations. Here 8 plus 5 is a carry combination. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Cross out 6. 6 becomes 7. So end digit of 8 and 5 is 3. So answer is 73. Coming to next one, 69 plus 54. Here 6 plus 5 is 11. Here 9 plus 4. Here carry combination. So 11 cross out. That becomes 11 becomes 12, and 9 plus 4 carry the end digit of 9 and 4 is 3. So answer is 123. 59 plus 25. 5 plus 2 is 7, but carry combination we have, so that 7 cross out. Next successor is 8. 9 plus 5, its carry its units digit is 4. So 84. 78 plus 59. 7 plus 5 is 12. Here carry combination over there. So 12 becomes 13. End digit of 8 and 9 is 7. So answer is 137. 86 plus 49. 8 plus 4 is 12. But carry combination. So 12 becomes 13. 6 plus 9. Its end digit is 5. So 135 is the answer.